From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and itchy skin, wondering what's going on with the air in your home? I've got the solution, and it's the 18L 4.7 gal Smart Humidifier Large Room from AERZY. This top-rated and best-selling humidifier is a game-changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its smart tech, it's incredibly easy to use and maintain, and many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, raving about its performance. One of the benefits of this humidifier is its ability to create a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere, with a soft mist that fills the air, making your skin feel smooth and hydrated. You'll also appreciate the quiet operation, which is almost silent, allowing you to sleep peacefully without any distractions. Plus, the humidifier's large tank means you don't have to refill it constantly, giving you more time to focus on the things you love. I've used this humidifier in my own home, and I can attest to its effectiveness in relieving congestion and sinus pressure. The air feels fresher and cleaner, and I no longer wake up with a sore throat. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, relieve allergy symptoms, or simply create a cozy atmosphere, this humidifier is the perfect solution. It's also great for large rooms, covering a wide area with its powerful mist, making it perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. With its smart features and impressive performance, I highly recommend the 18L 4.7 gal Smart Humidifier Large Room from AERZY. It's a must-have for anyone looking to improve the air quality in their home. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.